Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a date to your calendar on the Kiwi.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the search button, and then set your departure point and destination. Then select whether it is a return or one way. Then you can also set the number of passengers, bag, and the type of class. Then the departure time and the return time. So click on the search button to search for flights, and if you are done, tap on this calendar icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can set your departure and your return too. So just tap on it like this and then click on the set a date button down below and it will be added to your calendar. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.